Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share my profile link with others on an Android device. Well, knowing how to share your profile link with others allows you to easily connect with friends and followers on Snapchat. Sharing your profile link provides others with direct access to your Snapchat profile, where they can view your stories, send you messages, or add you as friend. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, and then click your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, tap your profile here, and then please scroll a little bit. Select Share My Profile Link option. So now you can select which method you will take to share your profile link. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share your profile link with others on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.